What up? It's your boy Southern Smoke, boss. Back at it again today. So today, we're gonna be doing a turkey. And we're gonna be deep frying that bad boy, so you know it's about to get good. Hey, make sure you got a 5 extension around when you about to deep fry this turkey. Alright, so I'm gonna use some of this Slap Your Mama seasoning on there. And I got some Cajun injected Creole garlic to inject it with. I'm gonna season it overnight. So I'm just gonna, since I'm already putting in oil, I don't see no need to put no, you know what, I'm gonna do the bottom side first. This thing ain't gonna need no brine or nothing, man. When it go in that grease, and that grease get to rolling through there. So see, I know, I'm gonna pull the skin back a little bit, and I'm gonna get some of that seasoning on that skin. Up under the skin. So let me just pull the other side back. We're just gonna cover this whole bird up. All right, I'm gonna step away and wash my hands. I'll be right back. All right, we're gonna set it in the refrigerator, let it marinate overnight, and we're gonna fry it in the morning, man. So you can see I got on, it ain't that cold outside, but I got on all the long sleeve for safety purpose. Don't want no grease splotting up on me. I got my turkey at room temperature, so it won't have no ice in it or anything. It doesn't take the temperature of the grease down, dropping the grease down too fast. So I'm gonna lower it in there slowly, but I'm not gonna do no more talking. Alright, so it's been 45 minutes at 350. Go ahead and take it out. We're gonna go ahead and check the thickest part of the thigh, see what the temperature is. It's done. Well, it should be at 109 degrees. We're sitting at 200. She done. So yeah, I'm not best cutter, you guys. I'm not an artist with this cutting thing, but I just want to see how juicy it came out, man. Man, that's white meat looking that juicy. Man, I can only imagine how the dark meat looking. Look how juicy that bad boy is. Man, that's looking amazing. Hey, it'll be more videos coming like this for you guys. Hey, this gonna be that tailgate special, that holiday special. Hey, just check it out. Check it out. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to go over to my Instagram and check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Be sure to drop some comments of things you guys would like to see coming up for the future. Go ahead and push that like button. Hey, and for you new viewers out there, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It is free all day long. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.